A Day in My Life as a Financial Student na magre-report edition with Mark. And so we will discussing about the birth control pills. But before we start, I will tell you or define you what is birth control pills. Birth control pills are the kind of medicine with hormones. Birth control pills come in a pack and you can take it one pill every day. The pill is safe, affordable, and effective if you always take your pill on time. And of course, may dalawang uri tayo ng pill. Ito yung syempre yung nakikita natin sa Mercury or sa mga drugstore na meron sila. Una is the combination pills and the progestin pills or the only pills. In combination pills, meron lang siyang oral contraceptives na tinatawag or COCs na meron. Dun sa pills na yun, meron siyang both estrogen and progestin. And yung pill na yun, is yun yung pinaka-common na tinitake ng isang babae. And then, pagdating naman sa progestin pills or the POP or the mini pills na makikita nyo sa pills, we have this picture. Yung nasa taas niyan, yan yung combination pills, yung white. Tapos yung mga maliliit din sa baba, yan yung progestin pills na maliliit. Yan yung tinitake ng isang babae para magkaroon ng period, ganyan. Kasi yung meron doon is progestin lang. So, ang pinagkaiba ng dalawa, sa combination pills, meron siyang estrogen and progestin. At sa progestin-only pills or the mini pills, meron lang siyang progestin. And paano nga ba tayo nakaka-sure na this is effective? And it will be discussed by Mr. Mark Anthony.
Ayan, na magiging effective yung pills na yun as long as you take one pill every day, you'll be protected from pregnancy. You don't have to take your combination pill at the exact same time every day. Like all medicine, no, the pill is not for everyone. Because of smoking and birth control pills is always don't mix. So, sino nga ba yung pwedeng gumamit ng pills? Of course, all girls that is 18 years old and above na pwedeng gumamit ng pills base sa prescribed ng kanilang doctor. And gumagamit sila ng birth control pills dahil na rin para maiwasan yung birth control pills. And if naninigarilyo ka naman ng 15 times a day is bawal kang gumamit ng combination pills or any kind of birth control that has hormone of estrogen. And if you smoke naman na fewer than 15 cigarettes per day is pwede mong kausapin yung personal nurse mo. And yung smoking kasi while taking birth control with estrogen is makes you more likely to have problems like stroke and heart attack. And next naman is yung ano nga ba yung mga benefits ng pills. And una-una nare-reduce niya yung acne, no? And making din ginagawa niya rin yung periods ng babae is lighter and more regular. And easing menstrual cramps. And ito naman yung mga nape-prevent or nalalessen niya. Unang-una is yung acne and yung bone thinning and yung cysts in your breast and ovaries, yung mga bukol sa dibdib ng babae at yung sa ovary nila is yun nape-prevent ng pills na to. Also yung endometrial and ovarian cancer. Yan yung endometrial cancer ay nape-prevent ng pills sa pamamagitan ng kasi yung pills pinipigilan nito yung sobrang pagkapal ng lining ng mattress sa pamamagitan ng balancing estrogen and progestin. While napipigilan niya naman yung ovarian cancer dahil pinapahinto nito yung madalas na ovulation ng babae. And next is yung serious infection in your ovaries, fallopian tubes, and uterus. And last is yung iron deficiency or anemia.
And punta naman tayo sa negative effects of pills. Unang-una dito is yung spotting or the more commonly na spotting pagdating sa period. Yun yung sinasabi ni Sir na nagkakaroon ng spotting muna or akala ng iba is lang yung parang nalaglagan, ganyan. Pero hindi siya. Ganun talagang effects ng pills kapag first time mo magtitake or ilang months ka na nagtitake. Next is the sore breast. Syempre, ganun talaga na sumasakit yung natin, yung dibdib, especially kapag alam mo nang magkakaroon ka ng dalaw. Next is the headaches, and usually it goes away after 2 to 3 months. Hindi siya ganun nagtatagal, especially kapag nasanay na yung katawan ng isang babae. And that's all about the birth control pills. Again, I am Hanami Zuniega Daligdig,
And I am Mark Anthony Saruelas.
and we are the FM2B section, and here is our presentation. Bye-bye!